I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today I am unboxing the Diaper Genie Complete from Playtex. Got this here, a diaper pail. This is the big box. It's quite large, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So here's a pail. It comes out of the box there. I'm going to take the wrapping off of this, and we also have this insert. This is the Diaper Genie insert. These are the bags that are actually going to hold those diapers inside of the pail. And it's this cool little circular refill that you can pop into the pail when you need to refill those bags. So let's go ahead and take this out and stand it up, and we'll see what it looks like. So you can see on the top we've got some little plastic tape strips. Let's take those off so that we can actually open the lid on here. And then once that's complete, there shouldn't be too much more that we have to do to finish unboxing this. So we got this all out and removed the tape strips up on the top, and here is the actual diaper pail. So if I open up the front here, this is where we would open it in order to remove those bags as they get full. There is a little instruction manual on the inside, so I'll take that out. And you can see now there's this little kind of step at the bottom here, and when I press that, it's going to open the top of that lid where we would then insert the diaper. So I got my refill here. I'm just going to pop this little tab off, and then I'm going to peel that off, and the bag starts to come out. I can start to get that going around the side here. Then I'm going to push it through the middle to get this set up, and then I'm actually going to just take this and tie this off, and that creates the space for those diapers to go into. Now my final step is I'm going to insert this into the top of the pail. So I'm just going to open the top of the pail now. I'm going to take this, and as you can see, it's got a circular little groove where I can put this in, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that into the top. We can close this back up again, and then when I would be ready to use it, I would just press this with my foot. It opens the top, press the diaper through that bag, close it back up again. It's all contained. And then when I'm ready to empty it, I would just press the button on here, open it up. The bag is going to be coming down through here, and I would just cut that off at the top, tie it again, and I'd be ready to start using this again. So super easy. You can see the setup and unboxing, really easy to do here with the Diaper Genie.